Hello all, welcome back to SQL with Ravi Martha. Today we'll see how to install Python on Windows operating system. To do that, go to your favorite browser and type Python, or you can visit python.org. Once you go there, you'll see this particular website python.org, and you can go to the download section. Once you go to the download section, you'll have options like this. So the latest version will be available there. Currently the latest version is 3.9.4, so that will download. And if you scroll down that particular page, you'll see the lower versions of that Python. So once you download the respective version which you wish to, then .exe file will be downloaded, and it looks something like this. And once you double click that, it will open the wizard like this, and just click on this add python 3.9 to path so that it will work fine. And once you add that, check that particular checkbox, click on the custom installation, or you can directly go ahead and start install now. Here I'm just doing some custom installation. Then we'll see one more pop-up like this. So these are pip, this is a package management system for Python, PAP, and just click next, and then it gets installed. Also in the advanced section, you can just check on this install all for all users, and then click install. So once you install it, it will show setup was successful, this message. That means the Python was successfully installed. You can also verify the Python installation by typing python hyphen version, or you can just, so that it will show the current version which is installed on your system. Or you can just type py hyphen version so that it will show the current version which is installed on your machine. So now we have seen the procedure, just let's look at it in action. So I'm going to my browser and typing Python. So it will go to the python.org. Let me go to that site. So it will land on this particular page. Go to downloads. So now you'll see the latest version 3.9.4 available here. Click on that, and based on the laptop or PC which you use, that is Windows operating system, Linux or Mac. So based on that, we can install it. So just click on the download Python button. And if you want any lower versions, you can just click on the scroll down this particular page, and you can see all the different versions, all the lower versions available here, right? So now the Python got downloaded. So I'm just double clicking the .exe file. We can check this particular add python 3.9 to path, and I'm clicking on the Python and click on next. We can say install for all users. So this is the one. It is C program files Python 39. So let's install that. Click yes. So it gets installed, and it may take some time based on the system configuration. And if you want any other operating system, you can just go to the, so here for Windows, click here. So here you can get it 3.9.4. Usually when you download, it automatically detects what's your operating system, and it will download. And if your system is on 64-bit or 32-bit, based on that also you need to select the proper one. So my system is 64-bit 3.9.4. Okay, let me pause the recording for some time. So the setup was successful, so we can now close this particular dialog box. Now just go to Windows or CMD. So we can verify this using this. python hyphen version. So it says python 3.9.4, and you can also type just py hyphen version, then it will also give the same. So this is how we can download Python. So let's install IDE in the next session. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you very much.